To use Authorize Net hosted payment form, start by creating an account with Authorize Net and obtaining an API login ID and transaction key. This information will be used to configure the payment form. Next, decide which type of payment form you want to use. Either a simple payment form or an advanced payment form with additional features such as recurring payments and customer profiles. Then, generate a token by sending a request to Authorize Net with your API login ID and transaction key. This token will be used to authenticate the payment form. After obtaining the token, redirect the customer to the Authorize Net hosted payment form by sending a request with the token and other relevant information such as the payment amount and invoice number. The customer will then be able to enter their payment information on the secure Authorize Net server, and the payment will be processed. Once the payment is processed, Authorize Net will send a response back to your server with the result of the transaction. It is also important to note that you should always use a secure connection when sending requests to Authorize Net and that you should never store sensitive payment information on your server. Best practices for using Authorize Net hosted payment form include testing the payment form thoroughly before going live, using a reliable internet connection to minimize downtime, and keeping your API login ID and transaction key secure. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Authorize Net hosted payment form to securely and efficiently process payments on your website. Additionally, you should always check the official Authorize Net documentation for the most up-to-date information and to ensure that you are using the latest features and security protocols. In conclusion, using Authorize Net hosted payment form is a straightforward process that can be completed by following these steps and best practices, and by taking the necessary precautions to ensure the security and integrity of the payment process.